Hey, well, everybody, if you can read that. Whoa. Do you believe in magic in a young man's heart? Da, 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 da. Good morning. One and all. Antifuta! Jesus Christ! Antifuta, no man! Antifuta! 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 Futa! Jesus! Futa! Oh, what futa there? Jesus Christ! Futa! Jesus Christ! Futa! Jesus! Futa! What futa there? Futa this need a futa! Futa this need a futa! Futa! This need futa! Futa! Jesus Christ! Futa! 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 Jesus! Futa! Jesus Christ! Futa! Futa! This need... Hey! Futa! This need you! Futa Jesus Christ! Futa this need you! Futa! Futa this need you! Futa Jesus Christ! You're the ancestor them! Jesus Christ! Futa which by the ancestor them! Where is Futa and the ancestor them? What do you need them? Where is Futa and the blood clot ancestors them when you need them the most? When we need you the most, Futa and the blood clot ancestors, where are you? Jesus Christ, somebody gonna knock on Futa self me. Me say Jesus Christ, Futa this need you. Futa, I have never missed you more right now. Futa me know, Futa me say you alive before me do it. You alive. I would me not come cuss you now. Right now, me not come and touch you. You chat too much, man. Shut up your lava mouth, man. Shut up. Futa, Mr. Dog. Free Futa. Jesus Christ. The vlogging is nothing without you, Foots. Foots, me say the vlogging is nothing without you. Nothing. I'm telling you, nothing at all. Me say you need it. Foots. You need it right now, my G. My G, you need it. Because, my G, we are reason. Car. Me not know. Because you know how you run things in my G. Me and the blood clot behalf of Futa this morning, me pretty than come here. And the blood clot behalf of Antifuta, I am here. And the behalf of Antifuta, me attack. Right now, come here and the ancestors them have something. Me and the ancestors them what want to know what go on. Curve the evil. Curve the evil. Remember, I am here on the behalf of Foots. I am the mouth of Foots right now. You see Foots? And me a blood clot accept the award for Foots this morning. Me a come speak in behalf of the G. Right now. Foots. Yeah, man. I done show nothing from the other day, you know. When time me talk on the internet, nobody know. Everything, Futa chat too much. Everything, Futa in a people business. Foot, you know, when time I say a thing, everybody have to go around and I say, yo, Ray and Tay, me love laba off my mouth and Ray, but I'm telling you nothing. Everything what me Futa hype say come to blood clot pass. Everything what me blood clot for time say always come to blood clot pass. I remember telling you this now. All the other laba about blood clot chatty lesbian one for the blood clot internet will come about me never know if I be man or woman because me bad fuck up. Me I call Jesse because everything when me foot say now always come to pass. Who remember last year when me come and me say to you say what kind of style that the Jamaican artists them take up and gone over Batty Fest? The whole Batty Fest pack. When we look, we see blood clot Curvy Diva take off draws on the stage and we say, Jesus Christ, that was not necessary. It's not even necessary for she there, the blood clot Batty concert. And the blood clot girl take off the draws and they on the blood clot stage and go out with the whole of the blood clot sprat them. I flick up and down on the front time blood clot stage. Everybody cuss me. Futa touch. Futa touch. Futa this. Futa that. I'm telling you, say the ancestors have never happy with it. I'm telling you, say just because the people who God that think they are happy with it. Let me drink my tea. You sodomite. Come on the internet. Foot a chat too much. Foot. Be nice. You're serious. Foot a can't say nothing. So now this morning, me good foot eye. Me good blood clot footer. I mind me own a blood clot business on the gram there. Me there on the gram. I watch it thing. Me go so boom, 2, 3 flick. Boom, me a flick down the timeline. Boom, me a flick down the timeline, me G. Me a flick down the timeline. When my blood cleat look, me see blood cleat curvy diva twerk, you know. Lava have a tune where Lava say, real or fake. Cock up your body if you're real or fake. Big up Lava sound, cause you don't know, say, well, we are selector, you know, me, foot type, the whole of we, you know. Big up Mataran, you know, the whole of we, you know. Here the selector drop him tune, and Curvy Diva upon the stage, and me I tell you, say, Curvy Diva, you know, me, you know, good foot type, I watch this, you know, me I tell you with my one to we, me I tell you, say, me see this, you know. Me say, mama start twerk. Mama not joke with the twerking. Mama all over the place with the blood clot twerking. Pon her knees. Me say, 2 girls start slap up the body jaw wicked. You see me? Body jaw get slap up. She get comfortable with the slapping up of this body jaw, yeah. You understand me? I deal with real or fake. I mean, I tell you, she was shaking up the body. Because if it real or fake, and she reached on her knees at this point with the twerking. And the 2 girls spank up the body jaw quick, fast. When them twerk, them slap and they rub, them grab on all upon the pussy. Girl a rub it. In the Lava page, me just a watch her a while ago with the twerking and the girl them a rub down your pussy wicked. So it bring back me good foot eye. Back to last year, when the body fest take place, I should take off drawers down there. And one time me say a slackness and blood clot germsness, she go on with everybody say, foot a chop touch, foot a too enough. What? You don't remember? No, see that? Up on blood clot stage, them gyal take it cool. Them gyal not care now. The ancestors, them dumb blood clot happy. The ancestors, them not happy right now. Because from this sodomite company, internet with the bag of chatting, you know. He big thinking about sodomite on there, you know. You know, everybody is, you know. He chatting about on it. Every day, them gyal want on sodomite. Them gyal have blood clot people and rub pussy at this, you know. Yes, no. Alright, auntie, alright. Don't know. Alright. You get your pint across, me G. Me see where you are, say, me G. Me not sure you see this man, me ain't no cussing with you, me G. Me ain't no cussing with you. So you have a saying, me G. In the behalf of you, for your words, them there. Do your thing, me G. You see me, I do it. Alright, me G. Johnny! In the behalf of me who that pussy clad self right now, you're wrong. Me not tell you no fucking. Who the too slack? Who the get too thinking and bumbo class slack in my place? My God! Who the now make foot happy? Right now, footer, now feel good. I'm certain. Here, him know. And him a go blame me. Him always a go blame me and I talk about I think him outside of my one. Yeah. Me all hot, me cold, all I love about me hot now. Yeah, me G, the dog not happy. Mama, what kind of pussy they rubbing down a go on for the pussy glass stage there, so? You're real or fake. Shake up your body if you're real or fake. Real or fake. Lava hit song there. Oh, mommy, you go on bad. You go on very fucking bad goods. The girl them down like pussy. A whole eye pussy grab up down there. Grass. Huh? Whole eye pussy grab up good as. If people don't want to know where you deal with mama, if you see me, well, I want to with this tree something and them look on the top of me and the ancestors them not dig it. You see me, I deal with fuck that girl. Have some fucking class about you. You see me? You see your curvy diva? You know, say you like your attention. You Every time you see a little name now call up here, you see it come with one of them little behavior. Yeah. Always come with one of them little worried behavior, yeah, because you want your name to ring like blood clot school bell at lunchtime. Yeah, anytime you see a little name now call, you can go on with one of them sit there. Any bumper clot you see, you love him, man. You just can't make a year start and you get your name now call. You have to do some bumper clot thing to get viral. Huh? Jesus Christ. Big up yourself, Kirby Dave. If you shake, you mean mama shake like a blood clot tambourine. Tambourine settings, mama. Hey, boy, yesterday me make a blood clot post about this corona business. You know, got Jamaica, because me here say Jamaica have couple Jamaicans that over China. God forgive me for everything we me about to say, alright? But God, you understand, eh? Most of people don't understand the Father God, but I guess you comprehend. When we talk of this coronavirus, you know, we say, remember, you know, Jamaica, we're owned by the Chinese, them in a Jigo. Remember, you know, me G. No country in the world not full of China like Jamaica, you know, me G, and it's a small blood clot island, me G. You see me, I deal with me G? Boom, now me here say, yo, they have 100 blood clot people over China, they from Jamaica, and they must hear scream if you come home, because they, you know, them hear this virus a kill off people over China there, and they must say, and your wholeness needs to come for them and them little thing there, and Canada go for them people. Remember, say Canada bigger than Jamaica, you know, Canada can have one blood clot warehouse where they just have and pack up them the whole heap of people there, you know, and quarantine them before they let them out in the civilization, you know. You stop comparing yourself to blood clot Canada. Alright. Other country are sent for feed them little people, them when they over China, because they can't quarantine them or zap them off when they come at the blood clot airport, because they have sufficient funds and they can't do such things over there. And the other country them want to go for feed them now. Make I ask Jamaica a question. You good blood clot Jamaica. Jamaica, what day who no doctor them down there miss blood clot diagnose one pitney and kill him, you know. So that's a show us say who no medical facilities aren't up to par. Right? One simple misdiagnosis, you know. I want to miss blood clot, this and give pitney much in prescription, send home the pitney with the mama, then the pitney come back to hospital come dead, because that don't know one for. Right? So, let me ask you a question, Jamaica. On a blood clot misdiagnosed people when I have coronavirus and now have the big thinking virus who are going to kill off the whole fucking nation in the BG. So if you can't control one little blood clot diagnosis down there, every fucking thing now go dead, me G. Everything I go dead, me G. You understand? If you not accept one out of that blood clot 100, if you come back a yard, you not go dead. You understand me? When me look into it, and when me did hear enough people, I say, boy, Jamaica wicked them for go feed. Me have to look into it again to rascal and read couple comments. And me have to go read up about what really a pussy clot take place. You understand me? Jamaica can't contain not one of that fucker who go on them, G. You see the small little piece of island now, the whole of the Bumbo clan family, they would have dead off. Make the blood clot 100 stay there and dead, me G. You see me, I deal with? I want a Bumbo clot one guy fucking China. Why the fuck? You know want Bumbo clot guy China? You know they say betterment over there. Turn over there. Turn over there. You know when they say you know come back and come kill off what down there. Rascal, Jamaica can't quarantine, they can't diagnose, they can't do nothing for fucking help none of them down there. You have to fucking stay at China until them make one diagnose, one fucking antivirus for kill it. You can't come back, dog. You not have to stay over there and dead. With sound fuck up. Me did a beg phone at first. But when me say 100 I got killed, couple million, well, it don't make no sense. Jamaica can't fucking help on the G. Jamaica not no antivirus for fucking rare. What we are going to do? Catch you now go tie you in a banana walk. They are even the breed not going to let you out in a ear. Who don't let you out monks way and kill off with people them down there G-go. We can't even say we are going to catch you now and tie you in a some bumbuck like banana walk. We can't do that, me G, because we not going to give all the animal them and we have to name them there. Dog, when there's evidence no say sacrifice the 100 there. We don't have to know say we have to sacrifice the 100. Because it don't make sense the 100 come here, come kill off 1 good trillion away. It don't make no sense. The whole of blood clot Jamaica population would then deteriorate like blood clot Bodo, so I get named down by Chichi. Me G, it did a job flatter pussy clot ground youth. You have to sacrifice the bills over the man. A bills, you know, look on it that way here. You have a $5,000 bill. And you have a $100 bill. Which one bigger? You gamble. And you say, you know what? Me rather lose 100 than lose 5,000. Me back him. Me back him 100 blood clot %. Jamaica can't quarantine that the virus them G. Anything will come at Jamaica and have that have it tie somewhere and dead in me G. You can't do that, my friend, man. Everything down there got dead in. You can't, my G. You have to look on it that way there. Bills, 5,000. You see me I deal with. Yes, alright, bumbuckler. I know nothing to lose our bills, you know, but it's a big problem to lose our 5 grand bill in me G. All but one of them. You can't bumbuckler. What are you looking to it and your wellness? Me back you, me G. 1,000. Well, make it 1,000 of them stay over there and did good. Before the virus come out, all of them did blood clot good over there. Everybody over, all of the 1,000 Jamaican were over China there. Before this a virus, you make and kill off them bumbuckler over China there. Then they good. Some of them stay over there with it. Because, you know, in the sense, they can fucking jeopardize the rest of the island. You there? Turn over there. Me can't beg food, me G. Me have family yard. You hear that? Me have blood clot family yard, me G. What did I know everything good for the ghost, good for the fucking gander too. Load the gander. Ghost stay over bumbuckler, them G. Me have family yard. When me not gonna make the hand call for dead because I know. You fucking idiot, me G. One of them could over pussy glad China. Stay over there. I know the virus come out. Wanna stay over there so you don't figure out it. Well, hey, every top on the one a blood clot body. And I saw the bumbuckler thing go. You know, want go over one place and everything good for you over there, y'all make your life over there. As one little sitting and broke out, you want to run, come back in your yard, if you come kill off everybody. No. You have to stay out there with it. Not good for the gang. You couldn't in a one gang. The 2,000 or 3,000 people were Jamaica own a China. That one is not good gang members. And a fuckery. You see me? Why you don't want to kill so much innocent people? Stay over there. Stay over there till you figure it out, bro God. We will see you again. Believe me. We will fucking see all of you again. Hopefully. Gonna live good over them, G. Nobody can jeopardize nobody's life. Over here. Me a farm Billy down there. Where them never got China yet. And if one disease from China kill them, ja, me a bex. Me a go bex, me G. Me a go bex because I don't care there. Me I go vex because me have blood clot family down there. When they never got chat, them people they never lift up out of here, out of earth. Eh? Well, flash walk on, brother. You know me, Jay, and I said go. Don't, but I feel like say one come guy have come kill off people not trouble with me, Jay. Eh? Nobody with that man. Stay at China till you work out on the thing, my G. Stay at China till you thing work out, man. Stay over there. They must find the blood clot treatment for them now make everybody dead off. Me I tell you that don't know must Jamaican survive through any blood clot thing, my friend. You hear me? You see? We belong support more. In the blood clot, me glad the sun. You see me? And the whole of live over there is happy and blood clot comfortable. You hear me? I tell you? We can survive through anything. You see me? I want to hear, my friend. Get some blood clot swimming glass and bumbuckler hair tank and them thing, them Jay. Go buy them thing down at Jamaicans, improvise. Get some banana leaf and tie around on the face and you know go squeeze out some bumbuckler sour sap and you know go make you know wanna cure for fucking virus, cause we good for that. But tappy fuck about no one come down a yard. Who knows Jamaicans up there so gather together. Cause we no love it fuckery now. Who no can gather together and do everything what they want to do as Jamaicans. Gather together. Squeeze up all kind of things together, my friend. Me see my granny do it all the while. My granny mix up all kind of sitting and cure any bumbuckler thing where you go through me, J. You see me I do it? When your blood clot do that, yeah man, when you give the whole of China and when you come out like blood clot era. If you try run, come home, come kill off what you idiot warrior. You no warrior. You stay over there and fight the blood clot infection. Fight the virus. Make on the name scene. You go mix up some busy and you see me I do it. Rare and tete, some bush, some garlic. You know the bumbo clot busy. You see me boil a drink that you never know how you cure the blood clot thing. And I use it all over the world on the news. But nobody the fucker. Nobody with the run home. This allude more. Well, we are Jamaicans. We can't blood clot read too tough. You see me? Me not gonna tell you so we's a dunce race. We clever. Most of we as Jamaicans don't use blood clot education to get through. A clever with blood clot clever. So they use the cleverness over there and blood clot make up a cure. And tata about who run come over come kill people family. Stay over there 2,000-3,000 now no bomb but we don't miss no. We don't miss no Jamaica overpopulated. Jamaica overpopulated right now. We can't accommodate nobody else right now, my G. The island now overpopulated in the two, broken at two. Right now, the blood clot island soon broken a blood clot too. You know see, all the blood clot, Somerset Falls dry up, you know. Down at Jamaica, you know. The people that drink water, down at that, water, what you think? Eh? I'll be a people down there, my friend. We can't take 3,000 more. God no, 3,000 more, it tight. 3,000, and then here we again to know, China people. Right now, England a dip. Must be 3,000-4,000. We can't hold. We can't hold right now because right now England said them a dip. 2,000-3,000 more blood clot Jamaican. And when we are hold, the island fucking overpopulated and overpopulated as is. With blood clot crumbs. We don't want no kidding. That no means that you overpopulated. We want to come down, they can kill with family them. You see me? We are use condom now. We realize. Turn over there. And when we realize. Let me sit down. Can you see them, Mr. Boy? Jamaica fuck up if you don't want to go for people them over there. But we never send no over there after no war. After no blood clot war, nobody never suit to no up and send no over there. But now, as the little blood clot virus broke out, to automatically remember where no come from. We no remember who no. God no. We overpopulated no my bus can't hold. The bus packed. How the blood clot there? Mama, right now we have bus 17 on the bus front seat, you know. Bus, every minute that they tire, they lose hearing on me, G. Can't hold. We can't blood clot hold. Why you know that? You stay over there. Una did good before the virus broke out. Una stay over there with the rest of China them and go and figure out it. We never was a part of it. Don't bring it in. Don't bring me down no fuckery. You understand me? We never do that. We never fucking, nobody never send no over there. Nobody never go on there, none for go over there, dog. We don't go pound the one, stay pound the one. Not a problem. The bus full. The bus full. Meji, right now, what do you look on this blood clot coaster here, you know? This a coaster here, I turn this blood clot so turn over the road. How will the blood clot so much Jamaicans even not do a China? Me not even know the people from Jamaica. Hey, they never wrong when they say it, you know. Jamaicans, they all over the blood clot world. But me never know so much like China. And then all of a sudden now, you know, look a virus will kill off, you know, you don't want to run, come back. No. No, we not play. We not play that. You don't want to play me G. You don't go and play on the game, my friend. We are born and spliff, yes sir, my friend. You see me? Yeah, me G. Right now, for team pack. I better want to go formulate up like a team for phone yourself, G. Yeah, the team is full. You see me, I deal with reserve, pack off to said way. And we are reserve. So nobody say we don't want to be reserve. You see me, I deal with? Yeah, we don't like no cleats them. So, you understand? Move along. No, my friend, the bus full. I don't know the amount of problem what we have done a yard already. When the blood clot don't feel like so never go come down with a big blood clot carry among us. And then wanna go with this big blood clot carry among us all about the fucking place, G. Jamaica hardly can't catch a criminal them or down there will kill off a family them. Much less we can catch who know we have corona. Brother Guinness we drink you and beer, red stripe. You know, sorrel beer bad. We not drink corona and you see I don't reach. We not even drink corona, dog. I make stick on them. Why not reach over the make stick on them because of them drink corona? A red stripe, me know we known for. Me J, fat back up. Bust up your head that much. Me lick you with that in your ear stem. You flat out, me J. You see me? Me drink a cold beer and you violate my pussy wall. Remember? This year, no blood clot corona buckle you use 2 finger, hold 3 finger. When a beer buckle you have to use the whole 5 G fat buckle. Man, rinse you out like dirty plate with a red stripe buckle. We corona do a yard. We can't take it, my friend. No, do over blood clot. China about on a blood clot business. I have on a good life. Left we alone. We never did know so we over the tank. Now the blood clot coronavirus spread out over the like blood clot sheet. Who know I remember so now Jamaican tap it. We have enough blood clot crime and violence. No one can use one disease kill off everybody. No. Me back you, Mr. Wallace. I mean a PNP. Me back you though. Yeah. Me say you can't do that, me J. They more kill me. Huh? We don't know nothing about corona, me J. A jug and Guinness and bumbuckler red stripe we drink you. We never hear one disease near jug and it. We never hear one bumbuckler disease near red stripe. We never hear one near Guinness, me J. So why corona we take up the what we do in our life? We deserve this. Well, we never got time over there. Big and blood clot serious because you know why I have to put on one blood clot suit and talk intelligent for that over there. Who don't keep on a blood clot mentality to yourself over there, my friend, man, turn rest upon you. We don't want to know about Zion. You see me I deal with? No, Zion refuse on Jiga. You see me I deal with? Selassie I live it. Remember that. You feel me, G? And Selassie I not gonna live with you down there. Selassie not gonna do that, my G. Rasta even drink liquor. And that me I try to tell you. So what kind of corona you not gonna tell Rasta about? What you can't tell Rasta about no corona? Rasta drink roots. Wanna know roots are kill nobody? Why wanna go and send these prodigal sons back to our Zion? No. We drink roots, no corona. And the mentality there cast the human race fear God down. That's why Selassie I always tell you, you have to eat what the Almighty put here for us. Roots, nuts. You understand me? Make sure you have the Ilalua, you have the Irat. You understand me? You know it go already. Don't play yourself. You understand what I deal with? We don't have to stay over there and understand say Babylon already done that too now. And we don't want Babylon to come and rotten down our civilization down here so in Jamaica. You understand me? Our Jamaican roots and culture, we want it to be as is. You understand me? Keep on the corona. Keep all on the liquor them in the NEC and all of that. And we stay down here so we go and drink roots. You see me? If you go out there so as a prodigal and you want to come back right now, we are unable to accept on request. You understand me? A fire upon the corona. You understand me? Jamaica is not accepting none of you at this time. You understand me? Selassie I live it and you cannot go to Zion with you praising Babylon. And because you praise Babylon, you go to China. You say you're going to look better for your family, but you get corona. Now you want to run back to Zion. Zion don't accept your request at this moment. You have to stay at China and figure out that. You understand me, I deal with? None of that. You understand me? None of that. Yeah, my friend. None of that.